Hey everybody, welcome back for another car wash review. Today I am back in London, Ontario, and actually doing a revisit at the Pioneer gas station on Huron Street. The actual address is 1885 Huron Street, and I've been here once before. I believe it was a touchless system. You can barely see part of the sign. It even says touchless car wash off to the left. It's cut off there. Can't remember what system it was. If I remember, I'll put the link to the to last time I reviewed this in the description below, so you can check it out. Actually, I got a subscriber, Camilo Garzone, I believe I'm pronouncing that right, has requested me to come back and do this last couple of weeks in a row. Every time I post a video, he comments to come back and do this. They put a new system in, I believe he said 3 months ago, so not sure if it's still touchless or if they went to a touch system. I don't know, but we're soon going to find out. We'll get out, have a look at the van. It's relatively clean, probably mostly clean, except for the odd little bug splatter and that on the windshield. We haven't had any rain in the longest time, so the van's been staying pretty clean as a result. Yeah, it's pretty clean. There's not really much to show for dirt. Not really. It's pretty clean. With the exception of a little bit of bugs on the mirror and windshield. But that's okay. We'll still check this out and see how it does. So I went in, I didn't get gas at all, and the price for me was $14.99 plus tax came to $16.94. If you do get gas, it's $2 off, so it'd be $12.99 plus tax. So price isn't bad, and you get a wash code. Mine is 25169. They have a Tim Hortons, and I drive through here. The Tim Hortons is on the left, and the car wash is on the right. Ooh. Oh, it looks like it stayed touchless. Is this a Condor? 25169. I wish I could remember what this system was last time. Oh, looks relatively new. Last couple of times I've done a Condor, it's been the newer, like the single arm one. Yeah, the arms are moving nice and slow. making sure it gets good coverage. Whew, you can really smell that soap. See those arms come around the back? There. It's taking its time, that's for sure. Pass it over to the other arm. It's like a baton race, a relay. Probably the slowest moving condor that I've seen or remember. Good coverage on the trifoam as well. Smells good. And this will be the clear coat. According to the sign down there anyway. And the arm's turning green, letting you know it's time to go. time that. Looks like they have a vacuum here, but it's out of order. Alright, back in here and we'll have a look. Okay. Well, the dryers did a really good job. My side windows and everything is actually very dry. They had a little drop of water running down from the very top, but that's understandable. Wow. The van's pretty much dry. That's very impressive, actually. Wasn't expecting that. Got rid of majority of the bugs. They did a really good job. Really good job. I know my van wasn't that dirty, but all the bugs, even off my windshield, for the most part, are all gone. And the little bug deflector on the front, the mirrors, very clean looking. The dryers were excellent. Some of the best dryers I've seen in a long time. Yeah, this is probably the best Condor system that I've ever been to. It did a really, really good job, and I liked how slow the arms moved, which really ensured it did a good job. The coverage and the high pressure rinse really taking its time. Excellent. No, if you like these systems, I definitely recommend this. Price is decent, $12.99 if you get a gas purchase. I've definitely seen a lot more expensive than that. So yeah, good. I can't remember. I'll have to definitely got to look to see what system was here before. Maybe it was the same, they just upgraded it. I'm not sure, but anyways, whatever they did a good job. So let me know what you think in the comments below. Hope you enjoyed it, and Camilo, I hope you liked it as well. This was your recommendation, so thanks everyone. Like I said, comment down below if you like these Condor systems. Do you like the double arm or the single arm best? Let me know. But like, subscribe if you haven't already. I'm going to take a picture of this now, put it up on Instagram. And so yeah, if you don't follow me on that, make sure you do, because you'll know what washes I'm doing at least a week in advance. So, all right, so take care everyone. And as always, I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.